Goa Forward Party and independent MLA Rohan Khaute writes to PM Narendra Modi to grant immediate permission to open up the Goa International Airport at Dabolim for repatriation of Goan seafarers and other non-resident Goans stranded abroad and allow free home quarantine as per the provisions of International Health Regulations 2005 and other WHO and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare quarantine guidelines. The Goa Forward Party along with independent MLA Rohan Khaute meets the Governor of Goa on 8 May 2020 in regards to the same. Here are the demands which were made in the petition addressed to the Prime Minister and Chairperson of NDMA. They are as follows. Advise National Executive Committee to declare the Goa International Airport at Dabolim, Goa and Mormugao Port Trust, Mormugao, Goa as ports of entry for the returning overseas Goan seafarers and other non-resident Goans whether they choose to come by air or by sea. Accordingly, advise National Executive Committee to give permission to open up the Goa International Airport Dabolim for rescue flights whether arranged by Government of India or chartered by the seafarers companies to land directly in Goa and follow the necessary health protocols. Advise National Executive Committee to direct the Goa State Executive Committee to draw up an immediate rescue plan to bring back all the Goans stuck in foreign countries whether offshore or onshore and those in distress. Advise National Executive Committee to permit Goa State Executive Committee to allow home quarantine of those testing negative as provided for in WHO guidelines of March 19, 2020 and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare guidelines for home isolation of confirmed cases dated April 27, 2020, also considering the fact that they have been quarantined for more than a month on their respective ships and will be certified medically fit as per the Maritime Declaration of Health as provided by the master of the ship. Advise National Executive Committee to permit and provide the Goa State Executive Committee with the ICMR approved expert SARS-CoV necessary testing kits as in the case of Kerala, a confirmatory RT-PCR test which gives results in 45 minutes. The returning seafarers or non-resident Goans could be given the option of this test if required at their own cost so that their testing can be done expressively so as not to prolong their trauma any further and they could avail of the option of home quarantine if they desire to. Advise National Executive Committee to direct Goa State Executive Committee to not charge those repatriated or their companies for the quarantine and related expenses in view of the international regulations, particularly the provisions of International Health Regulations 2005 which expressly forbid charging any repatriated traveller. Advise National Executive Committee to direct Goa State Executive Committee that if the government insists on facility quarantine then it should allow the state government to bear the cost under the State Disaster Response Fund as repatriation of the distress is part of rescue phase of disaster management as provided for in the NDM Act 2005, NDM Policy 2009 and NDM Plan 2019. Therefore, it is essentially a humanitarian operation and cannot be reduced to a revenue generating operation for the airline or the hotel industry. It is against the IHR 2005 as well as all United Nations humanitarian and human rights regulations conventions. Advise National Executive Committee to permit Goa State Executive Committee to use the funds from the SDRF for the quarantine related expenses of repatriated Goans as they have contributed significantly to Goan economy for the past many years. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and never miss any update.